Hi, my name is Cassidy Halstead, and my presentation is on animal sanctuaries. Are animal sanctuaries better than zoos and circuses? Sanctuaries. What are they? There are different types of sanctuaries, those that are true animal sanctuaries and those that are not. Those that are considered true sanctuaries are those that take excellent and humane care for the animals they have ethical policies, and have a non-exploitative environment. Sanctuaries that are accredited by the Global Federation of Animal Sanctuaries are considered true sanctuaries as they meet the basic requirements. These animal sanctuaries are supposed to be safe places for animals that require a safe haven, whether that be from an injury, illness, if they were taken out of a home because they were an exotic animal, or simply if they cannot thrive in the wild and if they could not live in the wild by themselves. How do zoos and circuses compare to sanctuaries? Circuses train animals to perform acts that may not be in the best interests of the animals. It is possible that animals are being abused to learn tricks and are not being treated properly. Zoos capture animals from their natural habitat and may not treat these animals very kindly. These zoos exhibit animals to the public and may also use them for scientific research. Zoos also breed, buy, and sell animals. There's also the issue of zoo animals being killed when there were other options. There are a few famous cases of that have been heard worldwide. There are also a lot more that happen that are not advertised. Are all zoos and circuses like that? Most likely not every zoo and circus treat their animals poorly. There is a chance that some zoos and circuses may actually treat the animals very well and have their best interests at heart. The issue is that it is enough zoos and circuses that do not have the best interests in mind for the animals that they do have. Since it is a big enough issue, zoos and circuses get a very bad impression based on the knowledge of what other zoos and circuses have done. This also leads back to very famous killings at zoos that are very advertised. It may not be all zoos and circuses that treat their animals very poorly, but it is enough where the industries as a whole are the problem. If you go to a zoo and you say that it is not that bad, that they seem like they treat their animals very carefully, it is possible that there are many different things going on behind the scenes that are harming the animals. Are all sanctuaries better? The short answer is no, not all sanctuaries are better. As stated previously, there are true sanctuaries that follow the basic principles, like having ethic policies, which makes them true sanctuaries. Then there are the sanctuaries that may pose as true sanctuaries, when in actuality, they treat their animals very poorly and just added the word sanctuary to their name to try and fly under the radar. They may be doing that to seem like they are doing better than zoos and circuses, seem like that they are treating the animals better, but if they are not following ethical policies and other basic requirements, then they are not true sanctuaries. This is a big issue, and it continues to be a big issue worldwide. It is not just in the United States that animals are not being treated very fairly. There is also the exotic animals that are being taken from their natural habitats, are being homed in like 2-bedroom households, or those that are being taken into circuses. They're not being treated properly. They deserve to be out in the wild if they can be, and if they can't survive out in the wild, then they can be placed at a true animal sanctuary where they will take care of the animal, have its best interests at heart, and just overall provide for the animal. Here are my references, and that is my presentation.